feeding the fish. I'm trying out one of these short video formats. Hopefully you guys will like it. I'm going to try to be better about posting videos more regularly, answering your questions. So if you have questions or comments, please put them there and I'll do my best to respond. If there's specific content that you like, want, etc., I am here for you. And today, this short video is feeding the fish. And watch them go. Oh, look at the microgreens. I just planted those. They're growing already. Here's some more microgreens. And let's watch the fish. Those big splashes are the catfish. Please like, subscribe, share, and have a great Friday.